together, out loud together. So, and I don't sound out the words or go really slow because the child can't read well. I read like an adult, you know, and then the twins walked around the corner and, you know, and the child, even if they get behind me, they will gradually catch up. What you're doing is you're imprinting your own reading, your reading method onto the child. It is the singular, most effective way to get the child reading more fluently. It's been around for a long time and it works. You must sit on their right-hand side. It's to actually do with their brain and lateralisation. You've got to sit there. It's got to be a book that they want to read, and if you want it to be effective, just do it for 5 minutes. Older kids, we can do it for 10 minutes, but 5 minutes. Right, you can point to the words if you want, but don't ask them at the end, what was that about, and who said this, and you don't want any pressure. You're just reading out loud together. It develops fluency so fast. So I also do it if I come across any teenagers who've got reading problems. Works really, really well, and always stop at a cliffhanging bit. Something where they really want you to go. They're practically begging you, you know, the witch is about to walk out and you go, oh, look at that, the time's up, right, let's just put that book away. And you put it up on the high shelf so they can't even get it and read it, right, because that is a special book that you are doing with that child. It has to be done one-on-one, okay? I've tried doing it in groups, this doesn't work. If you did that 5 times a week, it is amazingly effective. So if any of you are doing any tuition with kids, try using it, all right? So I'm trying to give you some really practical tips to take. You've all got the 8 ways to be smart brat, okay? This is something our kids say all the time. So this is hanging up on the wall, right? So they say it and they click and they have shakers and they do all sorts of things, okay? Well, let's read it together so that you're aware of it, because we are going to be going through the 8 intelligences and ways to improve them. All right, so let's go. 8 ways to be smart. All play their part. Use them every day. You will find a way. Different ways to think. Use them in a blink. Picture smart, math smart, people smart, have a heart. Nature smart, words smart, music smart, self smart. Play your part. Use your smarts. So we often start off our sessions by saying that. Now the kids never get sick of it, but we say it deliberately so we remind them to use all of their intelligences as they learn. So even young children can learn that we're smart in different ways. And it affirms for them that, oh, if I'm really good at drawing, I'm smart. If I'm really good at music and singing, I'm smart. Because they don't think about those things as being related to being smart. Okay. Any questions so far about what we've done today?